Sudarshan, good morning. It was about a 6.5% slide that we saw in the month of September for the Nifty. What's your prognosis for October and how would you approach today's day?
Yeah, good morning, Sonia. Well, we had this view that September would be a weak month and we'll enter a correction. And of course, nobody understood that one day will make so much of a decline. But that's the market for you. This correction is not over. That means whatever levels we are going to see today or in the next few days will be not the final lows of this correction, of this decline. We are looking ahead and seeing 10,900 break decisively. That is imminent. Whether it happens in 5 days or 10 days, I can't say. So for the positional trader, the trade is maintain puts, buy puts, maintain short positions and look for lower levels during the month. But for somebody who doesn't have a position, you wait for a rally to go and create a short position. There's no rush. We are in a trading range and markets can easily go up. There may also be intraday trades on the long side. I can't say that. It is possible. But the view is that expect lower levels and build short positions whenever possible.
Okay. Sudarshan, good morning. You have more sales than buys actually.
And I just want to tell you, Sudarshan, that your two sales, Canara Bank and LIC Housing, the RBI news actually will be positive for them, but then you know the charts better.
Yes, I understood that when you were talking about the RBI move. And I would still stay with them. The only change is that you don't have to sell them at the open, which I would not have suggested. But whenever there is a rally, be quick and take a short position. This is not going to last. The news is unlikely to have a major impact. But for the positions, I want to make a quick point about banks. You know, banks were leaders of the earlier bull market. Now they are leading the decline in this correction. That tells us that the next leg of the bull market will not see banks as leaders. They will be laggards in the next leg. So don't be in any rush to buy dips in banks. Banks will not at all be leading this next move whenever it comes. So the leaders are IT and Pharma, and that's the two places where we are buying consistently and regularly. TCS is a buying opportunity, and so is Aurobindo Pharma. There are 3 short sales, 2 of which Lata referred to: Canara Bank from PSU and LIC Housing from the NBFCs. If there is a knee-jerk reaction on the upside, all the better. You get to short them or sell them at a higher price. But nothing will change to my mind. And Adani Ports is a short sell. That's a day trade. Close the position by the evening, but it's weak.